An element is a pure substance consisting only of atoms that all have the same number of protons in their nuclei. Unlike chemical compounds, chemical elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reaction. All elements have a specified atomic number and a specified atomic mass. The number of valence electrons, which are the electrons in the last shell of an atom, determines the valency of an element. Let us take nitrogen as an example. For general knowledge, the first shell of an atom can have 2 electrons at most. The second shell can have 8 electrons. The third and fourth can also have 8 electrons at most. Nitrogen have 2 electrons in its first shell and 5 electrons in the second or last shell. So nitrogen can take up to 3 electrons to fill up its last shell. So after it gets 3 electrons, it will get negatively charged and will get a valency of -3, since it have 3 extra negatively charged electrons. If we talk about boron, which have the atomic number 5, 2 electrons in its first shell and 3 electrons in its last shell. So rather than taking, it can give away its valence electrons. When it will give 3 electrons, it will get positively charged, and since the protons are still the same, it have the valency of +3. In the case of carbon, 4 valence electrons are there. So rather than giving away its electrons or taking electrons, it shares its electrons with other similar elements, which gives it the valency of +-4. Well, that's it for today. If you guys learned something new, then please hit the subscribe button.